The 2026 Toyota CHR is officially back, and this time, it's fully electric. After a 4-year hiatus, Toyota has revived the CHR nameplate as a subcompact EV, positioning it as a more affordable alternative to the larger BZ. And right away, you can tell this isn't just a refresh, it's a complete reinvention. From the front, the CHR makes a bold first impression. The C-shaped daytime running lights create a sharp lighting signature, while the angular front fascia and slim rectangular grille give it a modern, almost futuristic stance. A wide lower air intake adds visual aggression, and the ridged hood with pronounced sculpting behind the DRLs gives the front end real character. Move to the side, and the coupe-inspired silhouette stands out. The raked roofline flows cleanly toward the rear, while strong character lines run across the doors. Rugged body cladding along the lower sections reinforces its SUV identity. Around back, triangular taillights connected by a horizontal light bar create a distinctive signature. A small rear spoiler and chunky rear bumper complete the athletic look. Step inside, and the design mirrors the updated 2026 BZ. The cabin feels modern and layered, thanks to a tiered dashboard layout. A large central display sits prominently in front of the dash, paired with horizontal air vents that stretch across the interior. The digital instrument cluster is recessed deep into the dashboard, giving the driver a focused, cockpit-like view. Technology is clearly a major focus here. A 14-inch touchscreen anchors the center stack, complemented by a fully digital instrument cluster. Dual wireless charging pads add convenience, while available features include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and even a JBL audio system for a more premium listening experience. In terms of space, the CHR seats up to 5 passengers and offers up to 25 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, making it practical enough for daily commuting and weekend trips alike. Power comes from dual electric motors producing 338 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 5 seconds. The 74.7 kilowatt-hour battery provides an estimated 290 miles of range, and with an NACS port, it can charge from 10% to 80% in roughly 30 minutes. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and more advanced driver assistance features. Starting at $37,000 and topping out at $39,000, the 2026 CHR competes with the Kia Niro EV, Hyundai Kona Electric, and Volvo EX30. It's expected to go on sale in 2026. Bold design, strong performance, solid range, and modern tech, this new electric CHR is clearly aiming to make a statement.